Here's how we designed and built a stunning new UX-led website for an aesthetics and surgery clinic. Hi, I'm Graham Jones, Head of Web here at the SEO Works. Today my team and I will be exploring how we designed and built a fully custom WordPress website for the Beverley. Our first step is the discovery call to gather information about the client and what they want to get out of the project. We learnt about their specific vision for how they wanted to position themselves in the market. The site needed to showcase the high-end branding alongside a warm and friendly aesthetic rather than a typical clinical feel. Alongside this, the site needed to highlight the client's accomplishments, knowledge and technical skills to instill trust in the user and encourage conversions.
Our UX process was very in-depth for the Beverley. Since the site was completely new, there was no existing work to build off, meaning that carrying out a UX analysis from scratch brought its own challenges. We pieced together some really strong user personas that allowed us to create an incredibly detailed sitemap with multiple user journeys that we could then carry into the design process. This, alongside the knowledge that we gained from an in-depth competitor analysis, meant we managed to come up with a logical sitemap with some really clean user journey options.
Once the sitemap was finalised, we used wireframes to visualise the site's architecture, taking into account both desktop and mobile navigation, information hierarchy, and internal linking. This analysis nicely laid the groundwork for design, allowing Jake to hit the ground running with the page layouts.
A great bank of research hired from Graham and Tom meant I was able to focus on the styling of the site to ensure it aligned with the brand and generated the visual appeal the client was looking for. My approach to design was all about translating the clinic's serene and spa-like atmosphere into a website that immediately reflected the brand. We achieved that through gentle colours, elegant type choices, and a layout designed for simple, stress-free navigation. By keeping the design understated and using a clear, intuitive UI, we made it simple for visitors to find exactly what they're looking for, whether it's pricing or surgery information.
Off the back of Jake's really slick, high-end design, we had some really interesting custom sections to build and produce, so they not only looked good, but also performed well too. Sections with spinning call to actions, mouse following CTAs, sliding before and after comparisons, and lots of customized archives with varied filtering options were just a handful of the challenging sections that we managed to produce to a very nice standard.
We knew that flexibility was key, and this is where our custom WordPress specialist development really shows its worth. We're also keen to ensure the site was SEO ready, as a key objective was to hit the ground running with online campaigns, which the client had scheduled ready for the site's launch. This meant working efficiently and collaboratively within the team to ensure content population, testing, and launch were done with diligence and within a tight time frame.
While the site was certainly a challenging one, we were able to adapt quickly, and each change helped us fine-tune the final experience and make sure the end product truly reflected what the client wanted.
I'm really proud of how we pulled together the development sprints efficiently and cleanly. The overall site came together really quickly due to a strong development process. We produced such an interesting site with a variety of design blocks that will perform effectively for the client.
It was a pleasure to work on the site for the Beverley. Seeing it all come together was hugely rewarding, and we're excited for them to see the benefit of their swish new site.